Welcome to another video tutorial. Today we're going to be installing Parrot OS in VirtualBox. So first thing we need to do is we need to go get an ISO image from Parrot OS. So go ahead and just type Parrot OS. We're going to click on the first link, Parrot Security, on the download button. And here is going to give you the many different editions that you can do. You can download a security edition, a home edition, one that's specifically made for Hack the Box, Cloud Edition, Architect, and one for Raspberry Pi. For today's tutorial, we're going to go ahead and just download the Security Edition. So go ahead and click the down arrow right here next to download and select ISO. And this will start downloading the ISO. I already went ahead and did that so we can speed up the process. So next thing you want to do is you need to open up VirtualBox, go to Machine, click on New, give it a name, and then locate the, actually for type, let's change it to select Linux version. Need to do Debian. Debian 64-bit. And then we're going to go ahead and select the image. I have it right here, Parrot Security 5.3. And then click Next. And then we're going to select the amount of memory that we want. I'm fine with 2048 megabytes. As far as processors, it's currently 1. I'm going to go ahead and do 2. And you just want to make sure that you stay within the green, just to be safe so that your VM runs correctly. Go ahead and click Next. It's creating a virtual hard disk of 20 gigabytes. If you want to make it larger, go ahead. I'm going to stick with 20 gigabytes and Next. And then this is a little quick summary. Click Finish. Then over here on the left, we see Parrot VM. So we're going to go ahead and select Settings. Click on Advanced. Change the shared clipboard to bidirectional. Same thing with the drag and drop. This will allow you to transfer items, things from your host machine into the VM. Next, click on System. If you wanted to change the memory, you could change it here. We're good with 2048, so I'm just going to leave it at 2048. Processors, we gave it 2. I'm fine with that. Next thing is click on Storage, and we have Parrot Security loaded, so we're good there. Next, click on Network. We have NAT. So that's pretty much everything we need. Go ahead and click OK, and then click Start. Powering VM up. Here's our VM. And then we're going to go ahead and click on try/install. Hit enter. Make this larger. Wait for it to boot up. All right, so here we are. We need to go ahead and double click this install Parrot. So let's go ahead and do that. So it's giving us a warning that this system does not have enough working memory. I'm going to go ahead and ignore that. So just click Next. Select your time zone. I'm fine with New York. I'm going to go with English and default. Click Next. And then we wanted to erase the disk. So we allocated 20 gigabytes for this OS to be installed in. And I'm just I'm telling it to just erase whatever's there. There's nothing there. So just select erase disk. It's going to basically install the Parrot iOS in there. So the whole disk of 20 gigs is going to be Parrot. So go ahead and click Next. And then let's give it a name. I'm fine with the default ones. If you want to give it a different username, go ahead. Or password, set a password. When you get all the green check marks, that means you're good to go. So go ahead and click next. And here is just a little summary. Click next. Not showing me. So let me see if I can. There we go. Go ahead and click install at the bottom. And then click install now to begin. And when it gets to the 100%, we'll be right back. All right. After some time, we reached 100% and it is all done, completed. So now it wants us to go ahead and restart now. So just leave that checked and click done. Going to restart. And since we still have the ISO loaded, it's going to give us this menu again to try to install. So I'm just going to click enter to enter this. And if you're still watching and like the video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Thank you. All right, so we need to go ahead and shut this down. So go ahead and click system, shut down, and then click shut down again. Then we need to go back into settings. So I have the Parrot VM highlighted. Click on settings, click on storage, and see this is the ISO that's still loaded. So we're gonna go ahead and highlight it. Right click, remove attachment, remove, click OK. And now we can start our VM and it's going to ask us for our login credentials. So go ahead and select the first option by hitting enter. And then enter your password. And just like that, you finished installing Parrot OS. So thanks for watching. See you on the next video.